Okay, so I received my illuminated window sills from my Elantra. I could not find any reference to my particular model, but I found the 2017 version. As you can see here is the part number F3045ADU00. It says it's only for 2017, but just looking over the specs and the installation procedure, I believe it'll fit my car. So we're gonna check it out and see. It was pretty cheap. I bought it off of eBay. And here are the instructions. I'll upload a PDF version of the instructions in the description. It doesn't look complicated at all. It should only be like a 15-minute overall install. You simply take off the old ones that are currently in place and clean off the car apart and pop in the new ones. It looks pretty interesting, and I'll walk you through the process. So a new kit comes with these two little templates. You place them underneath the door to place to know the location of where the magnets are gonna go. So it comes with some batteries and some magnets. Comes with a little cover pieces here and the two illuminated door sills for the Elantra. Okay, so that's the entire kit. So let's go try this out. All right, so on my side next to the car here is the original sill. I'm already losing daylight here. And it's pretty easy to do according to the instructions. You just put a cloth underneath so you don't mar the paint, and pop off the old sill. It just comes right off. So I'm gonna do that right now. I can only do this I needed two hands to do this. So I'll get back to you in a second. All right, so it came right off, and the instructions just shows to remove the lining here. I don't think that's necessary, but if you want to, you can. It came right off, and place this to the side, and just wipe down any dirt that's underneath here. And let's place the other one. I think I have to put the batteries in. I'll take a look real quick. Okay, so trying to pop this in the car. Doesn't look like it's a direct replacement. As you can see here, all these clips here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. And over on my car, the one I pulled out, there's only 4. So if you line it up, it looks like only 2 tabs line up, the 2 extreme ends. These 2, and of course those 2 on the other side. In the center, unfortunately, they look like they're in the reverse positions. If you place this over the top, you see they're in different spots. So I got nothing to lose. I got a good deal on these anyway, so I'm going to try clipping off the other ones, and just to see if I can get it in to install it. Okay, so I'm going to clip these off and I'll let you guys know. Okay, so I clipped off all the other clips here. And now I'm installing the batteries. There's 2 little battery places that the batteries fit in. They take 24, 30, I don't know if this will focus here, 24, 30 batteries. Okay. And you simply, these are little caps. It's not focus. These are little caps you just pop right off. I already put one in. And let me place the other one in here. And I'm putting the plus side up. I believe this is the right way. I'll test it out and see on both sides here. All right, and then you simply place them in place and place the cap on. And to make them work, you use the little magnet here. This somehow activates it. I don't know how, but oh, there it goes. As you can see, it's already activated. So let's see if I can find. Oh, there it is. There's a magnetic location. Oh, there it is right there. As you can see, it turns it off. So when the door closes, it activates this magnet here, turns it off, and then when the door is open, it activates it again. Right? So let's see if this fits in the car. Okay, so I clipped everything off, and I was able to fit it in. It's not as secure as I believe it should be. It's in there, it's not going anywhere, but it's a little loose on this side now. I'm gonna put a little double-sided tape on here. I don't think it'll hurt it and ruin the alignment at all. but it's not going anywhere. It's just a little wobbly since I removed most of the clips. So now the next step is to install the little magnet. Okay, there's no stickiness on it. It's just literally just a little bead magnet, and you use this little template. Now the template right here. So there is a little notch in the door. So you have to feel for it. It's right about here, and you line up this to the door. So this goes toward the outside of the car, and this goes on the inside. So it's just like this, and you place the magnet in this little hole here. So let me do that for you, and I'll show you where it goes. All right, so I placed the magnet where the notch is. You can see here I just placed the magnet in the spot, and you remove the template. So that is all that it is. And you place a little cover over it, but first I want to test it and see if the door works. So let's see. So we close the door here. Open it, see if the light turns on. No, it doesn't. Okay, so since I had to clip all of the little clips off of here, the template that is provided doesn't work. I guess the alignment's different, just slightly off. So what I did was I took the magnet and I placed it in the location where I think it should go. Here's the activator here, so if you move it out of the way, as you see, the light turns off. Right, so I just placed it right about where it should go. Right, so there's the little magnet there. And I simply close the door. And you can hear it click into place. You hear that? There we go. So now the magnet is placed where it should be, as you can see, right there. So I'm going to scoot it down a bit and place the cover on it, and that should do the trick. Okay, so I placed the magnet cover in place. You can't even really see it. And I took the saran wrap off. So let's do a quick test. Turn off the light here. Close the door. Let's open the door. And there is the Illuminated Elantra logo. It turns off after a couple seconds here. Actually, it looks really nice once the actually it looks really nice with the look of the car. The camera's not really doing it justice here, but it's actually quite cool. Like I said, I'm gonna put some double-sided tape on here just to secure it a little bit better, but not bad. There it goes. Now it turned off. All right, now I'm gonna do driver's side. Okay, so here's the driver's side. Looking at the connectors, looks like it's the same issue. It's not a direct replacement, unfortunately. So I'm gonna have to clip off this one, this one, this one, and this one, and trim off these edges here just for it to fit, unfortunately. And I'll probably just use some double-sided tape, and make sure it's nice and secure. But it fits. It's just that only these two clips work. Okay, I'm gonna place the batteries in it and snap into place. Okay, so it's in. This side actually fits a little bit better than the other one. I'm still gonna put some double-sided tape on it. I did the magnet trick that I did on the other side. I did not use the template. I just simply placed the magnet right here and closed the door really quickly. And the magnet, I don't know if you can see, because yeah, I don't know if you can see it. Where is it? Oh, it's over here. There it is. So I put the magnet on and the little cover, and let's test it out. So close the door, open the door, and voila. Looks really good. Okay, so that is it. Unfortunately, it's not a direct placement, but it does work. I picked it up for $35 on eBay after I had a couple coupons, so it was super cheap. I didn't really have much to lose. I think MSRP is over 300. I would not pay that for this, but 30 bucks I would. Unfortunately, it doesn't work for the back seats. That's just for the front too. All right, so thanks.